If you want to quickly cut a video in CapCut, whether you're trimming the beginning, the end, or just removing extra footage in the middle, this simple method will save you a lot of time. In this video, I'll walk you through how to cut video in CapCut PC step by step, so even if you're brand new to the editor, you'll be able to follow along easily. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more CapCut tips, and let's get started. First, open your project in CapCut PC. Once the project is loaded, you'll want to bring your video into the editor if it isn't already there. After that, drag the video clip down to the timeline. The timeline is where all of your editing happens, so this is the main area you'll be working in. Next, click on the video clip so it becomes selected. You'll know it's selected when you see the clip highlighted. This is important because CapCut needs to know which part of the video you want to edit before you can trim it. Now, move your cursor to the beginning or the end of the clip. As soon as you hover near the edge, you should see the trim handle appear. This little handle is what lets you shorten the clip without affecting the rest of your project. If you want to remove the first few seconds, go to the left edge. If you want to remove the ending, go to the right edge. Once the trim handle appears, click and drag the edge inward. As you drag, you'll see the clip getting shorter in real time. This makes it easy to remove unwanted parts like dead space, pauses, mistakes, or anything that doesn't need to be in the final video. Keep dragging until the clip reaches the exact length you want. When you're happy with the cut, simply release the mouse. CapCut will immediately apply the trim, and your video will now be shortened to that new length. If you need to cut more than one section, you can repeat the same process on different parts of the clip. This is a great way to clean up your footage and make your video more polished and engaging. Trimming your clips properly can make a huge difference in the final quality of your content. That's all there is to it. You've now learned how to cut video in CapCut by selecting the clip, finding the trim handle, and dragging the edge inward to remove unwanted footage. It's fast, easy, and one of the most useful editing skills to know in CapCut PC. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.